Alright guys, so the first thing I learned after 1 year on YouTube as a content creator is to strike a balance between creating content that you like and that your audience likes. So I think it's really important to film stuff that you know your audience want to see, but also film stuff you're interested in. Make movies, you know, TV shows, whatever content you want to make it something you're interested about, because if you're interested in it and you're passionate about it, it's going to be a whole lot easier to film, a whole lot more enjoyable. But also, always in the back of your mind, think, what do the people that are watching this want to see? I'm at this beautiful beach. What do people want to see? You know, they want to see the beach, the waves, the sand. They want to hear the beautiful things, the birds, you know, nature, that sort of thing. So really strike a balance between the two. And you'll need to do this early on, basically because of my second point, which is money. Okay, so let's talk money. Money, 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 money. Well, it would be great to make a ton of money on YouTube, and you will get there eventually. In my first year on YouTube, I made about $15 New Zealand. So not a whole lot. And then just at the end of this year, actually, as you know, just in the last couple of months, YouTube have changed their monetization policy. So now you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours a year in order to qualify for monetization. So I think it's really important early on to not worry about the money. Don't do it for the money. Do it for you, basically. And the money, if you work hard at it, grow your channel, the money will come after that. But yeah, definitely, I think Casey Neistat did his first 100 million views unmonetized on his channel, and then he monetized it. That's crazy. But he wanted to sort of get that audience first and then monetize that audience, rather than the other way around. So to do it for all the right reasons, not just for the money. Tip number 3, narrative. I think it's super important to have a narrative in your videos. All of my earlier videos were me going to a place, pointing the camera, shooting stuff. I wasn't trying to tell a story, there wasn't anything interesting. Now, you know, we're trying to make it more about us in those places. So I think if you think about the YouTubers that you watch and you enjoy watching, you know, you feel like a sort of a genuine connection and interest in what they're up to and what they're doing, as well as where they are. You know, there's all these beautiful places in the world that people go and film, but if they're boring videos, if they're just nice, you know, sunsets, then that's cool, but it's hard to get invested in. And you're not going to get subscribers from that, because people are like, oh, that's a neat video, but you know, I'm not interested in the characters of that video. So I think sort of trying to tell a story throughout your videos is a really good exercise, and something you should definitely do. Tip 4 is not to worry about the number of views you're getting on a video, and also the number of subscribers you've got to start off with. You know, you can get so bogged down and, oh, this video got this many views, why didn't this one do as well, da 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 da. I think my first video got like 25 views, and I was pretty stoked at the time. If I got 25 views on this video now, I might be a bit disappointed, but don't worry about that for the first bit. One thing though with the comments is take the time to reply to the people that have taken their time to comment on your videos. That way you're building a bit of community around your channel, and yeah, you're interacting with your audience, so definitely take the time to do that. And my 5th tip is just to keep grinding, keep producing, keep building those skills, your shooting skills, your editing skills, your storytelling skills, and yeah, stick to a schedule if you can on YouTube. Keep posting like once a week, twice a week, whatever you can, whatever you've got the time to do, and just keep grinding, keep working on your craft, and the more effort you invest in YouTube, the more you're going to get out of it. So it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, ask below. Leave a like if you like it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more adventures around New Zealand.